We're here on this beautiful fall day on my farm in Spokane in mid-October, and we've just had our first hard frost, so I'm out here harvesting my winter squash. The nice thing about a hard frost and your squash is that the leaves will die back, so then it makes your squash on the ground really apparent. Thankfully, the frost doesn't damage the fruits at all, but a freeze will. So once it's started to frost, it's imperative that you get your squash out of the field. When you're going through and you're kind of determining what's good and what's not to harvest, it's going to be a little bit of a sad time because you're probably going to have a whole lot of pumpkins that look like this. And that's okay. This is perfect. This is orange. It has the netting on it that it's supposed to. The stem is nice and woody. So this is a perfect specimen for a pumpkin. Now this guy here is a little bit less ripe, but still worth picking because even though it's green, I'm gonna cure this guy and it's gonna ripen up inside. To cure a squash, I put them in a really hot room. So it's 80, 90 degrees for a week or two. And what that does is it helps to build the sugars up inside of the squash. So it makes for a sweeter squash that stores for longer, the skins become harder. But with something like this guy, he's gonna have to be cured for at least a week or two, but if I cure it properly, I could eat this 5 months from today and it would still taste delicious. I'm so thrilled that I'll get to enjoy this North Georgia candy roaster sometime in the spring and it'll still be just as delicious. Being able to enjoy the fruits of your own work all the way through the winter time is one of the most rewarding things about gardening.